Hi guys, let's check it out what we got here. So we have marketing materials. Yeah. So we have marketing materials for Facebook and Instagram. And we have also product materials that you can personalize for your website or for anything you want. Okay, so let's see. We download all of them. Easy. Once they are on in your computer, let's have them here. You can open them on Photoshop. When they are in Photoshop, the only thing you have to do, this is so easy, is just drag and drop. Once it's inside the box, you can change the size to fit the box. Okay, here we go. And then you can move it around and make sure it fits, however you think it should be. Enter and it's done. Perfect. Now let's see another one. For example, we have this beautiful reveal box here. Let's check it out and let's add another picture here. Let's find one fits better. Awesome. So Command T to change the angle, hold Shift to change the size, and make sure that it feels right. And whenever it is there, enter, and it's done. Let's do one more. For example, this one is supposed to be an option for you guys to use on Facebook. Okay, so let's see. Let's personalize this one. Let's see right here. Why not? And then let's see. We have let's see the same. Why not? Because it's for parent books. There we go. Perfect. Let's do one more just to double check over here and see this one. Okay, find a square. Perfect. Command T, change size, goes higher. Perfect. And then let's move over here and change. Even if it's vertical, we can modify this one to fit the imagery we're looking for. Perfect. There we go. Easy. And you have them all in your trade area, ready for you to use. Okay. So thank you very much, guys. Just have fun with that. Ciao, ciao.